Hi everybody, Kyung here, and I'm super excited. I've been working on this kit. This is a new digital kit. I've been working on it for months. And geez, I feel like it's been I don't think I've released a kit since like before the first of the year. I think it was like November, like in around Thanksgiving the last time I released a kit. So it's been a long time. Anyway, this one I call the Vintage Butterfly Book, right? So it has a lot of butterflies in it. And I was going for like a look where it looked like, a book that like some nature diary you would find in like your great great grandmother's trunk in an attic or something. That's what I was going for, right? So that's what these are. These are the main pages. And I printed these on regular cardstock, just a regular white cardstock, with my office inkjet. I love this one. Here we have this girl holding this daisy, right, on some like music paper. This one, right, some kind of doily lacy with a little bit of floral. Here's a big butterfly page, right, with like all the like names of the butterflies and stuff. Here's this page. We have this lady gathering flowers, and this page, right? Oh, this is probably my favorite page that I've done with the nest and the hummingbirds. I just love the way this came out. It's so pretty, so pretty. And then this side, right? So we have that. Okay, so those are the main pages. And then these are like the lined ledger papers. And I did 4 of those. So there's 26 pages in the kit. And I have a sale going on right now. So if you put in the word butterfly, you can get 20% off of this kit. And I'll have all the links and all that stuff in the description below. Here's the other lined page. And then here's one with like some graph paper, right? And we got a bee at the top and like a door. And then these are like background papers, right? So these ones don't have that like book kind of image. They're just backgrounds, right? And they're a little bit more subtle, subdue, a little more simple, less, pronounced compared to the main pages. The butterfly one. Here we have this butterfly background. And this one, I think, we might have 1 or 2 more. So there's this one with the nest and these guys holding the shamrock. And then a regular blank, right? A blank one. And then here's a blank one that's just blank without the book, right? Just a background page. Oh, and then this pretty one with some floral and some music paper. Very pretty. And then we have the ephemera. So here's the ephemera. I have these kind of letter cards, I don't know, journaling cards, whatever you want to use them for. I have these, right? And I like doing little things like this because I feel like they're versatile. You can glue them onto things, make them whatever you want, make them little notelets or whatever. Here's another set of journaling cards. I didn't go too all out on the ephemera in this kit. Here I have made some postcards, right, with some really old vintage postcards and decorated them up. Made some labels. And then here we have fussy cuts, right? I put together some fussy cuts. And I have this kind of just random page of ephemera I included. Right, we've got some people, looks like they're going to load a train. We've got this subscribe for menswear. This cute little lullaby poem. I love this. This is the lady we used for the flower. And so see, she's actually hemming this lady's dress, but in that other picture I made her holding a flower instead because I thought that was cute. And then we have this little poem with like a rose and some cute pets delivering mail. Anyway, yes, 26 pages in all. I'm pretty pleased with it, right? Should be lots of versatility, things like that. So, yes. I will probably be making a journal with it here pretty soon. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.